Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter 1 of Computer Science 1, that is Operating System, and the topic is Overview of OS Part 1. So in the chapters we are going to study DOS, Windows 3.0, Windows 95, Windows 98 and its features, programs of Windows 98. What is DOS? DOS means it is a disk operating system. It is introduced in 1981 by Microsoft. It is a single user operating system. It means I'm using DOS, so only a single user can use it. It will not be supported by multi-user. It performs a single task. When I am operating DOS, it performs only a single task. It will not do multiple tasks. It means if I'm doing a particular task, if I want to move to another task, first we have to close the current task, then move to the next task. DOS is a non-graphical command line operation system. It will not support GUI application. GUI means graphical user interface. For example, in DOS, the commands for navigation have to be used. So, we will use a command to navigate to the folder and then use of another command to list the files in that folder. But in Windows, it support graphical user interface. Example, if you want to view the file in a folder, in Windows, double click the folder to open it in Windows Explorer. Any operating system which runs from the hard disk drive is termed as a operating system. So it was used by certain peoples who were computer literate. This OS used to have a set of commands. To perform an operation, user need to type command. User were expected to remember command and its meaning. This is a DOS boot screen. A boot means it is the initial set of operations that the computer performing when it is switched on. In this screen, if I want to do a program, I must know the command, then only I can use. What is Microsoft Windows? Microsoft Windows is also called as Windows or Win. It is a graphical operating system developed by the Microsoft. It provides a way to store files, run software, play games, watch videos, and connect to the internet. Graphical OS means it gives a friendly environment. The user can work on it, clicking the icons and open the file, close the file without writing any commands. So this is the images of Microsoft Windows. Windows 1985, 1992, 1995, etc. Windows 3.0. In 1990, Microsoft introduced GUI called as Windows 3.0. Actually, it is a third major release of Microsoft Windows. It is not an operating system, but rather a graphical operating environment that runs on top of DOS. It is a 16-bit operating system. It needs a pre-installed DOS. It means it is not an operating system. If you want to use Windows 3.0, it needs a already pre-installed DOS. It features a new GUI where applications are represented as clickable icons. So this is the image of graphical environment Windows 3.0. So we are using graphical user interface like file, edit, view, insert, etc. It also included the casual games that is familiar to most Windows users. That is, this is the image of Solitaire and this is the image of Minesweeper. This is an image of Windows 3.0 boot screen. Windows 95. In 1995, Microsoft developed a more user-friendly OS, that is Windows 95. It is an operating system from Microsoft which succeeded the Windows 3.1 OS. Actually, 3.1 is not an OS, but Windows 95 is a OS operating system. It was considered a complete operating system as it was not a graphical user interface running on MS-DOS, and it is also performed without any need of the MS-DOS environment after the boot process. So it means Windows 95 is a complete operating system and it was not a graphical user interface that will be running on the MS-DOS. This is a image of Windows 95 boot screen. It also supports 32-bit applications, which means the applications written especially for this OS should run faster. It is also capable of running DOS and Windows based applications, although it had completely removed OS. So Windows 95 it is already completely removed the disk operating system. Windows 98. It was succeeded by Windows 95. It is released by Microsoft in 1998. It is an upgraded version of 95. It is a mixed 16-bit and 32-bit of Windows operating system. It is a faster speed as compared to Windows 95. So it is an upgraded version of Windows 95. It also supports a internet technology and allows the user to find and browse the information on the computer or on the internet, and it is very fast and simple. This is an image of Windows 98 boot screen. Features of Windows 98. There are four features. The first one is easy to use. Easy to use means it is a single user multitasking OS. A file can be opened by single click. A Windows 98 allows us to use multiple monitor with single computer. And if you are installing a new hardware, can be installed without restarting the computer. So it is very easier to use. Second one is faster. Windows and programs can be opened fast, and the computer speed and efficiency can be easily improved with the help of Windows 98. To web integration. Windows 98 can be easily connected to internet and the web pages can be viewed in any window. The internal conferences can also be arranged with the help of Windows 98. Using Microsoft Outlook, Express, emails, and messages can be sent. The last one is more entertaining. It supports DVD and digital audio. User can play high quality of digital and audio on the computer. The television broadcast can also be seen. So this is the four features of Windows 98. Programs of Windows 98. It consists of three parts. The first one is Program Manager. Program Manager means it is a user interface to start and stop the application. It is used to organize various applications into a different graphs. File Manager. It is a tool to help to organize user files and directories. It is also used to search, copy, move, create, delete, etc. It can also be used to traverse a file through to change the drive. The last one is control panel. It can be used to choose or change schemes in the application. It can also use to select and display the background of the screen. It can also be used to configure printers and other ports on the PC, etc. Thank you.